Hello, our little friends. Welcome to our Art and Craft for Kids channel. Today, we will paint with acrylic paint on 30 by 40 centimeters large canvas. At this stage, we do not know what will come out. We just start and let the brushes guide us. Let's see what comes out. This time we add a nice animal quiz into our painting fun. Here and there, you will see some animals appearing at our painting desk. Will you be able to spot all of the animals? Have a look and count them. In the end of the video clip, we will reveal the result. My little friends, if you do not want to miss any of our new uploads, please subscribe to our channel. We would love to welcome you in our Art for Kids community. And if you have any great ideas for our future clips, we would love to hear about. Please share your ideas with us in the comments below. We use Mama's hair dryer to speed up the drying process. This way we are able to repaint on the just applied paint. like our clip, please give us thumbs up and press the like button. My little friends, if you do not want to miss any of our new uploads, please subscribe to our channel. We would love to welcome you in our Art for Kids community. And the right answer for our animal counting quiz is 15. Thank you for watching. It looks like we would be done. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button to get notified by new uploads. Keep well and see you soon.